Mickey, Gary, get the weapons ready. We're coming in hot.
Those boffins trying to grab your bum again.
Fucking around, I'm serious.
Shite. Copy that, Chief.
Hold on, Doc. Shit, get back.
It's him, the Impaler.
Come on, fucknuts! You wanna laugh at me? Go ahead! I'll cut the saw right off you! What'd he say, Doc?
He said you're a warrior.
Goddamn right, a warrior!
Yes, but he also added that he's looking forward to eating your still beating heart.
What the fuck, Doc?
The legend has it that feeding on them makes his flesh burn.
Yeah!